pancakes for breakfast, and they're keto? Yes, this recipe will crush your sweet cravings without breaking your diet. Hi, I'm Megan, and today I'm showing you how to make super easy low-carb cream cheese pancakes using just a few ingredients and ready in minutes. And wait till you see the second recipe, a savory cauliflower waffle that's a secret go-to of celebrities. Recipe 1, keto cream cheese pancakes. Here's what you'll need: 2-ounce cream cheese, 2 eggs, I'm half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon coconut flour, stevia to taste, I'm half to 1 packet. That's it. How to make it: blend everything together until smooth and creamy, then heat a non-stick skillet with a bit of butter or coconut oil. Pour the batter like you would regular pancakes, let it cook until bubbles form and the edges look firm. Then flip gently, serve with a pat of butter or sugar-free maple syrup, and wow, it's delicious. These pancakes are loaded with protein and healthy fats, super satisfying, energy boosting, and 100% keto approved. Recipe 2, savory keto cauliflower waffles. Waffles that help you burn fat and taste amazing. Yep, they're real and you're about to make them. Today we're making a cheesy cauliflower breakfast waffle, crispy outside, soft inside, and totally low carb. Ingredients: 1/2 cup raw grated cauliflower, 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar, 3 large eggs, 3 tablespoons chopped green onions. Seasonings: 1/2 TSP onion powder, 1/2 TSP garlic powder, 1/4 TSP red pepper flakes, salt and black pepper to taste. How to make it: grate the cauliflower and cheeses in a food processor. Mix everything together with the eggs and seasonings to form a creamy batter. Scoop half the mixture into a hot waffle maker, close the lid, and cook until golden brown and crispy. Then repeat with the rest. Serve with a fried egg, a dollop of cream cheese, or even guacamole, or just enjoy it plain. It's a flavor bomb packed with protein. Why you'll love these high in protein and fiber, full of healthy fats, low in carbs, zero guilt, keeps you full for hours, perfect for anyone on keto or just cutting back on carbs. And don't forget, there's a free ebook in the first pinned comment with an exclusive low-carb meal plan to help speed up your metabolism while eating well. Go grab it now. If you love these recipes, give it a like, share it with your friends, and comment below: how did your cauliflower waffle turn out? And don't forget to subscribe. Every week we bring you brand new healthy recipes made simple. See you in the next video. Bye.